Atlantiques Gallery brings to you a professionally restored and framed artwork, Sacrifice of Polyxena at the Tomb of Achilles. Gerard de Lairesse Workshop, Chalk, Lead, and Colored Pencil on Laid Paper, 1675 to 1690. Chalk, Lead, and Colored Pencil on Laid Paper, 1675 to 1690, with strong wall presence. See more at atlantiques.co.uk. Its appeal is classical and theatrical, with a narrative subject that brings movement, scale, and art historical energy to the wall. Look closely at the full composition, then at the details: classical drama, dynamic composition, art historical subject. These are the qualities that give the painting its wall presence and collector appeal. The catalogue notes strengthen the story of the piece, connecting its composition, subject, and visual language with related works and the tradition behind it. Its restoration adds to the sense of care around the object, bringing the surface, color, and presentation into a condition that invites confident inspection. The framed presentation matters. Chalk, lead, and colored pencil on laid paper is offered as a complete object, with condition, frame, and visual presence all contributing to its appeal. For a collector, this is an opportunity to acquire a visually strong, professionally presented artwork with character, documentation, and a clear route to inquiry. Visit atlantiques.co.uk, review the artwork page, and contact Atlantiques Gallery to request information or make an offer.